Pretty bird.
Up, up. He don't like touching. Once he's up there, he's up there. Look at him. Up, up. Why being mean? Quit being mean to me. Pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird.
You gonna take a bath? A bird bath?
I don't know what his fucking intentions are.
He wants up there. He wants up there.
I know, look. He don't want down. He
likes to stay on your shoulder, perched up.
I wish I trusted him. I wish I could, like...
You do trust him. He's your
I don't
best
trust
friend.
him as far as I could throw the damn bird. Probably bite me in my face.
No, he's not. He's not going to bite you in your face.
Hi, birdie.
He only bites you when you try to take him off of you. He wants to be a part of you.
No, baby. He don't like me.
He's a parrot bird.
Hi, birdie. This is my hand. This is part of my arm. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie.
He will bite if you stick your fingers in his mouth.
Hi, birdie. Stick your hand up there.
Nope.
Use this glove and show him.
No.
Well, just stick your hand in the tip of it. You don't gotta put your fingers in there. Just go like this. And show him what would happen if you try to touch me.
No.
Hi, birdie. Me and my bird were up here chilling, eating fucking sandwiches.
He'll attack you. Ah! Ah!
I just don't want him to take my fucking eyeball out, man.
It's just not very nice, is he? He's nice. He's nice to you.
Oh, he ain't. Look at him. He's like, what the fuck?
He just don't want me messing with you. He's protecting you. You're his main dog. You're his pirate.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He's licking my head. No, birdie.
He's eating you.
Oh, shit.
He's just seeing what you taste like.
He's grooming me. Hi, birdie.
It's like you're his baby. Here's baby.
Hi, birdie.
Really likes you. Not every day he gets a good bite of blonde hair like that.
I don't know what he's doing, baby. Hi, birdie.
Babe, I can't see him when you turn like that.
Babe, I want to see him too.
It's too bad.
It's not every day I get fucking my hair chewed on by a birdie. Birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie.
You're hurting his feelings.
He's ready to fuck me up. Look at him. Oh, look, he's like trying to bite my hoodie.
Put your hoodie up.
Let me put it back on. Hi, birdie. There's only one way we really get to know each other. Hi, birdie. No, I just don't want
Babe, when are you gonna realize he loves you?
Babe, I just don't want to bite my eyeball out.
He's not. He loves you.
Or my ear. If he
You're his
fucking bites
favorite.
my ear, that would hurt so bad.
You're his amigo.
Oh, he was
Pablo's favorite amigo.
Look at him. He was definitely going for my ear.
No, he wasn't.
Pablo, go.